In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zoho Sheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save a copy of your Zoho Sheet to your computer. Whether you are working inside a spreadsheet or managing files from the dashboard, this is useful when you need an offline backup. Want to share a static version or prefer opening the file in another program? If you already have the spreadsheet open in Zoho Sheet, start by looking to the top left of the screen for the File menu. Click File, then choose Download As. You'll see a list of common formats, like .xlsx, .pdf, and .csv. Pick the one that best fits your needs. The .xlsx format is ideal if you plan to keep editing the file in a spreadsheet program such as Microsoft Excel, since it preserves most of your data, formulas, and formatting. The .pdf format is great when you want a clean, read-only snapshot that's easy to share and looks the same on any device. And the .csv format is a simple plain text option, perfect for data imports, databases, and tools that don't need styling. Keep in mind, CSV won't include formulas, colors, or charts, just the underlying values. Once you select your format, the file will save to your computer automatically. Depending on your browser settings, it may download straight to your default downloads folder, or you might be prompted to choose a location. The file name will usually match your spreadsheet's title, with the extension reflecting the format you picked. If you are working with very large sheets, give it a moment to finish. You'll see the download indicator when it's ready. Here is also a quick alternative when you are on the Zoho Sheet dashboard and don't have a file open. Find the document you want. Right-click on it and select Download. This is handy when you are organizing multiple files or just need a copy without opening the sheet first. Your computer will begin saving the file just like before. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.